Hi and welcome to SFX60, your go-to source for quick, practical Salesforce solutions in under 60 seconds. My name is Leo. At SFX60, we simplify complex Salesforce problems with smart tips you can use right away. No fluff, just results. Let's jump into today's solution to help you work smarter with Salesforce. Cleaning dirty data can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start with the 3R approach: remove, review, replace. First, remove obvious junk, inactive records, test data, or empty values. Use reports or tools like Data Loader to mass delete. Next, review high-impact objects, leads without emails, contacts without phone numbers, accounts without owners. Finally, replace bad values using mass update tools or third-party apps like demand tools. Want consistency? Set validation rules to prevent new messes. Cleanup doesn't have to be once a year. Schedule it quarterly and you'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more 60-second Salesforce solutions, and drop a comment with your questions or topics you'd like to see next. Remember, this is a high-level solution to help guide your approach. Deeper configuration may be needed for complex scenarios. See you in the next one. Stay sharp with SFX60.